How's it everyone, and welcome back. My name is Vian, and in this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Design Studio. With this tool, you can customize the look and feel of your email templates to match your brand's unique style and personality. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. We'll navigate to the Design Studio by clicking on the top left corner and selecting it from the list. Once you land on the page, you'll notice a few things. At the bottom is a set of action items that allows you to interact with the templates that you create. You can generate, view, save, download, and clear your canvas. It uses the concept of blocks, which are essentially containers that can host the different widgets or components of your template, such as buttons, text, images, and even custom HTML. With the flexibility of these blocks, you can create unique and stunning templates that stand out from the crowd. A typical workflow would include dragging one of these layouts to your canvas, and then add some content to it. When selecting an image, you can have the option of generating one or uploading your own. We'll just pick one of the defaults. One of the best things about Pikkaboo's Design Studio is that it ensures your templates look awesome on both larger and smaller mobile screens. This is critical as more people are consuming content on their mobile devices. With Pikkaboo's mobile-friendly design layouts, your newsletters will look great on any device. In addition, you can change the background color, overall alignment, the fonts, and much more. We also understand that designing a newsletter template from scratch can be time-consuming and challenging. That's why we've integrated AI technology into our platform to make it easier for you to get started. Our AI-powered template generator lets you quickly create a starting point by simply entering a title for your template. Let's name this one Breakfast in a Tropical Wonderland. As we can see, it generated a template using the context of the title we gave it. These images look like they were taken in Thailand, and the content matches the description as well. Of course, if you prefer to edit this design, we give you complete control over the look and feel of your newly generated template. These powerful design features you can truly make your newsletter pop and stand out. If you like this video, please drop a comment below, and I'll catch you in the next and final video of this tutorial series, where we will be creating a new newsletter and sending out our first campaign.